Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen is a smartwatch powerhouse that's been flying under the radar for years. But with Amazon clearing out deals on this premium device, it's time to take a closer look at what makes it so special. So you're probably thinking, I need an Apple Watch, but maybe you don't want to break the bank. Well, let me tell you, this isn't just any old Apple Watch. We're talking about the 2nd Gen model, with some amazing features that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. For starters, the watch tracks your health and fitness goals like a pro, so if you want to get in shape or monitor your well-being, this is the device for you. And with apps launching faster than ever before, navigating through menus is a breeze. Plus, Siri's got some serious game now, working seamlessly on-device for ultimate privacy. But what really sets the Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen apart is its sleek design and always-on Retina display. It's brighter than ever, making it perfect for everyday wear. And with features like heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, crash detection, and more, you'll be amazed at just how much technology is packed into one device. But don't just take my word for it. This watch is also swim-proof and built for daily use, so whether you're hitting the gym or taking a dip in the pool, it's got your back. And with all these incredible features comes a price tag that's hard to beat: $169 for an unbeatable deal on this premium smartwatch. So, if you're in the market for a top-notch smartwatch that won't break the bank, the Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen is definitely worth considering. With Amazon offering this amazing deal, it's never been more affordable. Don't miss out, snag yours while supplies last.